Hey everybody, so today is going to be a really fun, hopefully, and really interesting video. I'm gonna turn myself into an e-girl, like a full-on, like anime-inspired e-girl, but I think my color scheme is gonna be like Dead Girl Glam. So like the reds and the browns and stuff like that, but also, you know, the heavy blush, the white eyeliner, the cat eye, the freckles, all of that. Maybe I'll try like the blurry lip. I don't know how far I'm gonna go with this. We're gonna get straight into it. It's gonna be interesting. I don't really have a game plan. I've just watched a lot of onigiri.nanaa's TikToks, which I will put her page here, and also like I'm thinking, you know, like her and like Naomi John, like those type of vibes, you know the vibes. We're gonna start with our base. I'm gonna use the Pretty Fresh foundation. This just gives me like a really nice, you know, even base. So I got a root canal today, so like blending on this cheek is a little painful. Okay, I'm not gonna conceal much because again, we're putting so much like eyeshadow and eyeliner and stuff. So I'm just going to, it's stupid that I'm concealing the redness because you know what's gonna happen later. I'm just gonna put blush there. I'm in my millennial habits, okay? Okay, and then I'm not gonna bake. I'm just gonna very lightly set my face. So I'm just lightly setting my T-zone with the KVD Vegan Beauty Lock-It Blotting Powder. Again, we're zooming through the base because again, the base isn't the interesting part of this look. And then just a little bit of NYX Mineral Setting Powder. And then just to finish off the base for everything, I'm going to apply some eyeshadow primer. Let's zoom in a little bit, shall we? Okay, let's just get into it. So I'm gonna take the My Chemical Romance and Hipdot eyeshadow palette. And the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm gonna take white and I'm just going to set all over this front half of the lid. Just because this base is really sticky, we're going to be blending a red on the outside. So I don't want it like, you know, transferring into the inside. This will also help give that like wide open, doe-eyed kind of look. So we're just going to take a blending brush and I'm going to take this bright red and we're going to pack this right on like this outer corner, and then we're just going to go in circular motions. And we're really like dragging it out and wrapping it around the bottom too. Like that. It's gonna be fine, it's gonna be fine, it's gonna be fine. And keep wrapping it around the bottom a little bit. So just like blowing it out right there. Then I think I am gonna take a little bit of Mausoleum Door. I'm just going to hit around the outside of the brown, a little bit in here. So a little bit down the bridge of my nose, and then a little bit around the outside of the red. Again, just to give it that kind of like grungy kind of look, even though that's not really what we're going for, but we're going for a hybrid. So we're just doing it. We're getting somewhere. And then I think we're gonna go in with eyeliner next. Yeah, I think we're gonna go in with eyeliner next. So I'm gonna take the NYX liquid liner, NYX matte liquid liner, and we're going to do a hearty wing. I'm gonna follow it. Oh God, keeping my eye open. And then the bottom part is going from below my natural eye up. Whenever I'm doing like big eyeliner like this, I always do it with my eyes open. I always like draw it on with my eyes open, just so I can see exactly what it's gonna look like when my eyes are open, because my eyes are open most of the time. Okay, and then of course we have to do the inner corner. Okay, little inner corner situation. I feel like my eyeliner looks a little funky when my eyes are open, but that's okay. Okay, now I have to match that eyeliner to this one. Okay, see, I feel like this one's turning out better, but I have to match it to this one now, you know? Oh God, the struggle is real. At least with a look like this, like if the eyeliner just keeps getting bigger and bigger, like it really does not matter at all. Like you want the eyeliner to be ginormous. Yeah, this one is like, this one I like, this one I don't. Okay, and then inner corner flick. So then we're gonna do the lower lash line, like to create a bigger lower lash line. I feel like I'm gonna kind of look like a Jordanna once this makeup is like on, because it's very, very similar. Oh God, that's okay. Okay, and then we're gonna do some little like eyelash situations. Okay, and then, well, I'm gonna wait for this to like totally dry because I don't want to mess it up. And I'm gonna go fill in my eyebrows, and I'm gonna do them a little bit pointier and darker than normal. So, BRB. Okay. Brows are a little messy, but a little bit pointy. I don't know, I kind of like how they look. Although this one is like way thinner and shorter than this one, but whatever, I don't care. I don't care. Okay, what do we do next? I think I'm just gonna touch up the eyeshadow a little bit. I'm gonna take more Mausoleum d'Or, and I'm just gonna go right on the inside of where that red was. Just so it has like a good transition from the white to the red. Just kind of stamping it. And then I'm gonna go on the inner part here. Like on the bottom of our like new lower lash line. And put more of Mausoleum d'Or. Ooh, that's dark. I didn't mean for that to be that dark. That's okay. It's fine. It's already on there now. Okay, and then white eyeliner. All I have is this NYX eyeshadow base. I really hope that it works. So I'm gonna take it and put this, oh, it's very creamy. Okay. I'm gonna take it and put this along my lashes. So I'm just going to pat that in our new inner corner situation. I'm just like patting it, and then I'm going to, oh God, and then I'm going to set it with white eyeshadow. Oh, this white is bright, which is really nice. I'm gonna go all along right above where we put that black. Okay, and then I think I do have a little bit of white eyeliner that I'm gonna put on my waterline. Oh God, oh God. This is turning out pretty cute so far. I'm enjoying myself. Although I'm like stressed, but whenever you step out of your comfort zone to something that has been already like so like established, you know what I mean? It always feels weird. I'm gonna try fake freckles. I don't know how I'm not a fan of fake freckles. I think it can be very, 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 very cute. Don't get me wrong. I'm just not a fan. But we're gonna try them. So I'm gonna try them with just brown eyeliner, and I'm just gonna kind of, is that even working? Is that doing anything? It's literally doing nothing. What even fucking color do you use for fake freckles? This color could be good. It's like a taupe, but like it doesn't go on very well. Oh God. I know a lot of people use like brow things, but all the brow things that I have are hella dark because I wear black eyebrows. See, that's like hella dark, but maybe I can, maybe if I blend on top of it. I feel like it just looks like I just have shit on my face. Is that the aesthetic? I don't know. I can't. It's fine. Okay, I'm kind of panicking at this point. Please, Lord Jesus, please make this be a trust the process moment, because I have far too much eyeliner on my face for this to come out like shit. Thank you. Oh God, what can I even use? This one's a little bit lighter, but this one's so warm that I feel like it looks weird. Ah, no, this looks so bad. I'm just gonna commit to dark, few freckles. So this is just like a pure eyeliner, and I'm just going to kind of dot them on my face and on my nose. It's fine. This is so bad. Maybe I'll take a little bit my powder brush and just go over them a little. I kind of did nothing, but in the viewfinder it doesn't look horrible. It doesn't look horrible. It's just not, I don't know, man. Okay, I'm just gonna like bronze and contour just like a little bit. I'm gonna go underneath my nose and just around my forehead. I don't know if there's any e-girl rules to like contour and bronzing, but I'm just gonna give my face some nice definition. I'm gonna go underneath. Oh, that's a thing. They put bronzer like all over their mouth. Okay, we're here. We're doing it. Looks like I'm not gonna say what it looks like, but you know. If you know, you know. Okay, and then blush, we're gonna take some reddish blush. We're gonna use the NYX Sweet Cheeks blush in the shade Risky Business. And I'm gonna take it on like this domed powder brush from Makeup Geek. And we're going to stamp this across the cheeks. Ooh, that looks cute! Okay, and then on the nose, heavily on the tip of the nose. And then across the cheek, and making sure to like meld it in with the eyeshadow. Did I add more freckles off camera, and do I regret it? Yes. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say. This blush though is so cute. Okay, and then I'm just going to like lightly highlight my face, but I am gonna put a very strong highlight on the tip of my nose. I'm going to use the Covergirl Clean Fresh Cooling Glow Stick. Just right on the tip of my nose. You know, I'm just gonna put that on my cheeks as well. Right over the freckles. Why not? I'm obsessed with this. It's so pretty. Okay. I feel very cute. I feel like a strawberry. Okay, and then I'm just gonna take a little bit of just my normal highlight. I'm gonna mix this gold in with a little bit of this pink, and I'm just going to hit the rest of my face. So above my brow, I'm gonna go over the tip of my nose just to make it extra, extra bright. And then I'm gonna put a little down the bridge of my nose as well. Just a little bit over the cheeks. Nice and glowy. Okay, lips. I don't really know what to do here. We're just gonna wing it. I kind of want to try like the smudgy lips with the lip gloss on top, but that might be too brave. We're gonna fucking go for it. So I'm gonna take the Jordanna easyliner for lips. So I'm just kind of overlining my lips a little bit, and then I'm going to blend it a little bit, kind of give that like, I don't know, like blurry lips, obviously, because that's what we're fucking doing. Why don't I use this lip liner more? This is Jordanna Easyliner for lips in the shade Tawny. Okay, and then we're gonna take this like glittery gloss, maybe? Ooh, I don't know. This is Buxom in Clair. No, that's too pink, I think. No, I think I like it. Yeah, I think I like it. And we're just going to... I should have exfoliated my lips before this. Okay. I feel so silly, but it's so fun. Okay, I'm gonna put on some lashes, including bottom lashes, and then do my hair and try to wrap this all together. And we will see. Okay. Stop, this is too cute. I feel so cute. This top is from Forever 21. This is a pant chain. This is a necklace, I believe, from Hot Topic. Can you hush? I can't shut my window, guys. It's way too hot in here. I can't do it. But I love this. This is so much fun. You know, far away, the freckles aren't bad, but I feel so cute. I totally get why girls and gays and theys and boys do this. This is so much fun. I feel so cute. I'm so glad it turned out. Anyways, y'all, thank you so much for watching me attempt to turn myself into an e-girl. I think I did pretty well. If there's any other like transformation videos or like trying different types of makeup you want to see me do, let me know. I love you, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!